asleep, little boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey.
Well, she was very pretty. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird. But let's get...
He also dances. What else do you know? He can make like different sounds like peekaboo, peekaboo.
Don't scroll, I have something to show you. It's my little kitty friend, Timmy. Oh, hi there, friend. How you doing?
Say cheese! Cheese! He's a big cheesy smile, yes!
Oh my gosh. Oh! What the heck are you doing in here? Are you alright, buddy? What are you doing in our jacuzzi?
It's a baby squirrel.
How did you even get in here?
What the heck? Oh.
2, 3. Chicken butt. I'm gonna get you. Nobody messes with the cockatoo. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You got me. Good job. Good job, buddy.
They gave my cat a perm.
Oh!
Those are mine. Those are mine. You're not getting them. No, 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 no. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Stop.
Good boy. Hey! Come on.
Olive, I have to tell you something. You're adopted.
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the vet. We have to go. We have to go.
No. It's gonna tear it off the tree. No, stop it. Stop it.
Don't be a
No,
hero.
it's not. Stop it. Stop it right now. No, stop it. Stop it. No, down. Don't fall off, but down.
Come on, let's go! Go on, go on! Yes! Good job, buddy!
Billy, are you, you look so haps, you're so haps.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love again.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
If you're happy and you know it, say. If you're happy and you know it, say.
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.